Hello, my name is Victor Moreland, and I am currently doing this screencast for nursing informatics. The topic that I am choosing to speak about and to actually go into more detail is, and what my PowerPoint presentation slides entail, is basically nursing informatics versus quality of care. Computer charting is an excellent intervention in the nursing world and the healthcare world, period. But is it an overload? Is it putting patients at jeopardy for neglect and lack of great quality of care? I think it's a really, really ongoing issue right now, and it's starting to become worse because the more facilities, the more expectations the facility have on for the nurses is the more documentation, and then it's just going to be a train wreck to me, honestly, if it continues like this. I'm noticing that most nurses are, we're getting our heads so caught up into the documentation that we're actually forgetting about what's really important, and that's patient care. So that's what I wanted to talk about in my slides. Is I wanted to, and that's what I've been talking about for the previous weeks, is nursing intervention, nursing informatics versus quality of care. Are the patients receiving adequate treatment? Is technology taking over? Is this a problem? Is this a hindrance? Is it an advantage? There's many questions that needs to be asked. There's many perspectives that needs to be taken a look at. So I'm really excited about the topic, and I'm very energetic about it because I'm really passionate about it because I mean I'm really a patient advocate, and I understand that charting is very important, and we must make sure that our documentation is correct. But I think the real reason is because the hospitals and these healthcare facilities, they want to be paid, and that's to be expected because that's that's what we're all here to do a job. But the focus is just nursing informatics versus quality of care. Is it putting the patients at jeopardy for, is it a safety issue? So that's what I talked about in my slides. And I think that this paper I'll be able to get it done within the next couple of weeks because I've already started on. I have a lot of information, and I have a lot of experience, because as a traveling Epic consultant, this is pretty much my field. So I have a lot of intel with this. So hopefully this will go over well, and I'm excited to turn in the final product. Thank you so much.